dysfunctional vet. This is Russian comfrey coming up. I just got this less than a week ago. This bud was already showing signs of growth, and within 5 days inside a greenhouse with no sunlight on it because of a tree that's grown over it. As you can see, it's come up and it's ready for transplant. There's a total of 12 plants in here, and according to the instructions, it can take as long as 8 weeks for some of these to show signs of growth. I'm going to pull this out and I'm going to set it in this biodegradable pot, and I'll show you this process as I do it. Now this is going to be kind of a slow process. I'm out here in the sun and I'm trying not to overheat because I only take a bath once a month, and that's whether I need it or not. And this being the middle of the month, I want to be able to put it off for another 2 weeks. So let's see how we do this. What we want to do with premium soil, and this is incredibly wet because it was in an open bag and it's been raining, we want to very carefully dissect out this piece, which is right here. As you can see, it's got a few roots on it, and got a root here, obviously, got a root right here, and we have a root up here. So here, here, and back over here. We have this cleared out pretty good. We want to set this down inside here without breaking the roots if I can. And cover it all back up. So we have this trying to grow piece here exposed. We'll get this as best as we can covered. Keep this out where it can grow. And since we have this partially excavated, we're just going to open this up and let this dry out because it seems unusually wet. We don't want the stuff that's in there to rot. So we're going to let this dry the rest of the day. The lid that goes on this is inside the greenhouse, and turn this so it's getting a little more sun. Like I said, we're just going to let this dry and then we'll cover it back up, stick it in the greenhouse, and I'll keep you posted. Now this is not an edible plant, and for the most part that's all I grow is edible plants. This is Russian comfrey. I think it's bocking 41 or bocking 42. I'll have to check and put that on the screen for you here. But I'm growing this for a different reason. You can look this up and see what all the uses are for it. I don't remember what I paid for it, but it is a bit pricey. But once you buy it, you don't have to ever buy it again. It's a perennial. Dysfunctional vet out.